So we just haven't seen something like this. We just don't have experience wrapping our minds around what kind of damage this potentially could cause. There is a hurricane warning in effect all over the entire viewing area from the Suwannee River down to the 7 Mile Bridge, which is down in the Keys. Now the effects will begin to be felt by the outer rain bands coming up and will go from south to north. So the southern part of our viewing area will experience the storm first. Of course, we've been talking about the flooding in Tampa Bay, but we've got to remember our neighbors to the south who, wherever that storm crosses the coast, near and to the right of that will be the worst storm surge because of the circulation counterclockwise around the storm. So we want to make sure that all of our residents are prepared for that storm surge. If it were to cross here, we would have high tides coming into Sarasota and Manatee County, water blowing out of the bay. But on the course that it's on, it appears that it could be perhaps paralleling the coast, or if it moved into Pinellas, we would get water pushed up Tampa Bay. So the best chance of the high tides being very dangerous would be from Pinellas County southward unless it moves further up the coast. So it all depends very critically on where that track eventually crosses the coast. There is an inland hurricane wind warning. We don't want to forget about our viewers in the inland areas. Remember that the hurricane force winds go out about 40 or so miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds go out about 140 miles. So even if you live in places like Polk County, Highlands County, Hardee County, Highlands County, or Sumter County, you could experience high winds near hurricane force and also the potential for flooding as well. Now here's a look at the high tides, and since the onset
of rain, the ground has already been saturated because of all of the heavy